All right, so we're working on the Galant again, slowly putting it back together. And today I'm putting back one of the rarest pieces, I think, that's available for the Galant VR4 or any Galant E39, E38 chassis. So this is a factory air diffuser, which goes right there. So basically, this little plastic panel here helps divert the air from coming out and over this hole here, those two holes there. So this piece goes over it like that, bolts down with those two holes. See, it's got pre-made, lines up pretty much. I gotta unbolt that screw and put it in. Lines up perfectly with some clips. Lines up perfectly to the hood prop clip, which I still have, which is shocking because I have hood struts. I don't know why I still have that in there, to be honest. But yeah, so this piece here came on a diesel Galant. So I think it was an E32 chassis, diesel model, which is a European spec model. And it came on that model. And I bought it brand new from the dealer. I think there was two left when I bought one. And a guy in America bought one and he's got it. So to my knowledge, there's probably only two left because most of these cars, especially the older diesel model that used to come, which was the basic car, front wheel drive, nothing special in Europe. Most of those are probably scrapped, and that piece has gone along with it. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in the car now, get it back in there, so I don't get it broken. So it's better to be in the car than sitting on a shelf, getting moved around too much. So we'll put that back in. I thought I'd share that cool piece with you. Don't bother searching through Mitsubishi. It's NLA. I've already tried to buy another one for my other car, the RS, but can't get them. But it's going on this car. So I'll unbolt this screw here and get my clips, and we'll snap that in. All right, out here working on the Galant and fitting the air diversion panel here. Ordered the clips directly for Japan for this panel because the ones that I couldn't find the right sizes, they wouldn't go in. So I ordered the panels in, the clips in. This is the part number, MB406893. I've got four of them just in case. Well, that's actually not one of them. That's the one I had in it, but it's wrong. It wouldn't go all the way down. So got these the right ones in. Let's go ahead and fit these. All right, we are mounting the front license plate. As you can see, Tiffany's actually mounting it. I'm filming, giving her the duty of drilling the holes and lining everything up and doing a perfect job for me. All right, it's gonna turn out sweet, that is. Wish it didn't have to have a number plate, but it kind of does hide up the holes in the grill, doesn't it? In the bumper, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got some nice Allen hardware, nice stainless hardware, which looks good. Wow, that looks really good, Tiff.
It's legal.
Yes, it is. Almost drivable. All right, I wanted to show you guys the restoration we did on the seat belts here. So I'll show you the before pictures now, and this is the after product. So we sanded them down, used a filler, and then made them all smooth, and then 2 coats of red paint, and 3 coats of red paint, 2 coats of lacquer. So they don't match the original ones perfectly, but it's best I'm going to be able to get it, and I think, you know, they look new, so super happy with those, the way they turned out. You know, a hell of a lot better than the old ones. So, cool. All right, guys, welcome back to continuing to working on the Galant VR4. Got it on the ramps right now. It's a nice cool evening in the UK because we're going through a little bit of a heat wave. Last weekend was really hot, and this weekend coming up is going to be even hotter. 90 degrees, so it's quite hot. So I'm just doing some little knick-knack stuff before I get it to the MOT next week, after the heat wave. Taking it to the MOT station. So there's a few things I'm just, I got a few new bolts I need to put on because one of the bolts is missing, I think, from when the service was done. Not a big deal, but it's just one of the splash guards. So I'm gonna put a new bolt on now, and then I'll show you guys the runaround because I got the interior all back together, and I'll just show you the car on the ramps and almost finished. All right, guys, just showing you a little walk around of the Galant there, and that's it. She's back together. She's idling perfectly. The interior is all back together. I've got all the little bits and pieces done that I was trying to get done before I go to the MOT tomorrow. MOT is basically just so I can get it on the road, and then I've got a few car shows that I want to take it to, so I'm really excited. It's back running. Rev's pretty good. Idle's really nice. Quite happy. So it's been a long one, difficult one, to getting it back together after the paint, with all the trying to get the time and the weather, and luckily we've had some heat here over the last warm weather over the last 3 or 4 weeks. So I've been able to really get chucked in on it with family day life and stuff. It makes it a little difficult, but it's done now. Can't wait to start driving it. The RS is going to be parked because this thing's going to be driven. I've just got a few more little, oh, actually I forgot, I've got a few more little things I need to, after the MOT, I need to lower it down a little bit more. So I'm going to adjust the coilover is about probably 1/4 of an inch, nothing crazy, because I don't want it too low. So yeah, just got to do that, and then it's roadworthy, it's ready to go. So just going to let it run for a while, and just, because it hasn't run in a long time, so I'm just going to let it run, drive it as much as I can until she parks for the winter. All right, guys, this is going to be the final stage of the Galant, putting it back together. So, badges. Got the new VR4 badge. Got the new Galant badge. And the new Mitsubishi badge. All brand new.
At the top of it. So it's at the...
It's there, yeah.
Okay. Just plug in there.
You come closer to me.
Hold on. If I do it like that, then no, lift off. This between the 20 and 21 as you like. Okay.
Fingers are about to touch it for the first time. Well, my fingers at least.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, don't drop it. We'll put it on. Ooh.
This is the problem with tapes.
That's old.
Got it.
There you go. That's it. That's it. Very gentle. It is old.
Still feels sticky though.
That's good. Nope. That piece. Okay, so I can stick it on, yeah. Corner needs to go there.
Down a bit on your right.
That okay?
Yeah, but down a bit on your right. That's it. Let's just peel those off before you...
How does that look?
Looks good. Okay. Cloths in your pocket.
Ooh. Yeah, it looks good, that does. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, all right. Get a little bit closer of a look. Oh yeah, new badge. How shiny that is. Ooh. All right. Make sure it's facing up. All
Do it the right way.
right. How's that look?
Yeah, down a bit on that. That's perfect. Perfect. Okay.
That's nice. Give a little bit of a shove. Stressful stuff this is, man. Let's open the last but final piece. It's a long time coming to get these badges on the car, I tell you.
You've had them a while, haven't you?
I've had them a long, long time. Nice and shiny chrome. Okay, we'll get the backing off and we'll get it stuck on the car. You want to stick the last one on?
Oh, am I allowed?
Yes. Go on then. You've had a big take in putting this car back together.
Okay.
I'll watch in all its glory.
So, middle of the T
Yes.
is there.
Yeah, you can come down a bit. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks about right, yeah. Push it down.
Peel those off first.
Check. so nice. The way they should come from the factory.
Okay.
I like that. Now, any of you purists would know that there's supposed to be 16 valve dual overhead cam sticker underneath here. But I decided I didn't want to put that on. I don't have one, just have the old one, which is faded. But I decided not to do it anyway, because I think it's cleaner that way, without the black dual overhead cam sticker.
It's nice.
It does. Looks fabulous. Looks brand new, because they are. There you go. Final bits. That's it. The car's back together. It's finished. Deja vu. Feels good. I've done this before. I've done decals on that car, on the RS. I did it by myself and I was quite nervous, but there you go. It's finished, guys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the series of the Galant, because this is the last video of putting it back together. Next videos will just be about me driving it. So glad you guys stuck around to watch it to the end. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe, follow along. It's fun. I think it's fun. Bye.
Bye. Are we keeping these?
Don't know. No, probably not. It's just cardboard and stickers.